Hi, I'm Captain Rex Strickland, and I'm here to tell you a little more about the Fairfax County Fire Rescue Department's Yellow Dot program. The Yellow Dot program is a free, potentially life-saving program available to all Fairfax County residents. It provides the first responders with critical life-saving medical information during the golden hour of a medical emergency or vehicle accident. To participate, simply call or stop by your local firehouse and request a Yellow Dot kit. The kit contains a personal information card and a Yellow Dot sticker. Complete both sides of the personal information card. Doing so in pencil will allow you to update the card as information changes. Be sure to attach a recent picture of yourself and place the information card in a visible location in your vehicle's console or glove compartment. Fill out the card for any person traveling in the vehicle that may need special medical care. Place the Yellow Dot sticker on the rear driver's side window. This will alert first responders to look in the console for vital medical information. Thank you for your interest in the Yellow Dot program. It could save your life.